If you're looking for a highly efficient and reliable way to connect with customers worldwide, the WhatsApp Business API is your best choice. Today, we'll give you a full introduction to YCloud's WhatsApp Business API solution, helping you quickly expand your business presence in global markets. First, with YCloud, you can quickly integrate the officially certified WhatsApp Business API using your own number, maintaining brand consistency and professionalism. Brand badge verification, blue tick, not only boosts customer trust, but also makes your brand stand out from the competition. We strictly follow ISO global security standards, ensuring long-term data protection for you and your customers, while offering full support for all official WhatsApp API features. As a Meta-recognized official WhatsApp business solution provider, YCloud has served over 200,000 customers worldwide. Whether it's sending verification codes to secure user accounts, pushing the latest products and promotions, or sending important updates like order status and event reminders, we help you reach customers quickly while providing real-time, intelligent customer support. WhatsApp is more than just a messaging tool. It's a full-scale business interaction platform. You can showcase your product catalog within WhatsApp, share it directly with customers, send order confirmations and invoice updates, and even receive payments via WhatsApp Pay. With WhatsApp Flows, you can create interactive forms to collect customer data, efficiently organize and analyze it, and turn it into actionable business insights. Meanwhile, click to WhatsApp ads let you drive potential customers from Facebook and Instagram directly into real-time conversations, significantly boosting conversion rates. Many people ask, what's the difference between WhatsApp Business API and the regular WhatsApp app? In short, the API is designed for medium to large businesses, supporting large-scale automated communication and offering more marketing and service capabilities. The WhatsApp app or WhatsApp Business app is better suited for small-scale manual communication. Another common question is whether the WhatsApp Business API is free. The answer is no. Sending messages incurs costs that vary by country and message type. YCloud charges strictly according to Meta's official rates, with no extra fees. As for getting started, if you're ready to scale your business, simply contact us, and we'll help you integrate within a few days. Whether you want to boost conversions, improve customer experience, or expand into international markets, YCloud offers you one-stop WhatsApp API integration and operational support. Contact us today and accelerate your global business growth.